Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a little bit different for my channel, but I thought I would add it in there because it is quite interesting. And if you have a small following like myself, then it might come in handy. So basically today's video is talking about how to get PR packages without any major followers. So yeah, that's what we're going to go into today. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the video. So obviously if you've got a small following, brands don't necessarily reach out and offer freebies to you. I get a couple. I'm not gonna lie, I don't get loads, and sometimes it depends what it is as well, because obviously I've got to actually like the product to talk about it, if you know what I mean. If it's something completely random, then I'm not really gonna want to promote it, if you know what I mean, or even try it sometimes. So I mean, a lot of the time you do get some good stuff, but when I was really small, I know I'm already small, the best way to do this when you haven't got any followers is to join the Glamour Beauty Club. So the Glamour Beauty Club is basically a testing, so anybody can join. You join up, you fill in a load of detail. Actually, I'll pop it on the screen here. So you basically become a member, you fill in some details and some bits about your skincare, hair care, that kind of thing. Obviously I'll leave it on the screen here scrolling as I'm talking, and you fill all that in, and basically they match you with products, maybe new products as well. Yeah, generally new products, just to get feedback before they are launched. Now you don't get stuff all the time. I've been a member now for about 2 years, I think, and I've probably had, not the most, I've probably maybe had like 5 or 6 samples in that time. Some have been like perfume. I've had quite a few perfume ones. Some's been some foundation to try, and obviously I've never made a video on this before, but obviously I got one recently, so that's why I thought I'd talk about it. But yeah, so you do get to try out. So if you are matched with it's something that they want to try, then you get given a sample, and then a few days, like a week later, you get given like a questionnaire just to say what you thought of the product, how do you think it works, etc, etc. So the package that I'm going to talk about today, so basically this is my current Glamour Beauty Club package. So this is only a little one this time. So inside the package you always get a little card that says Glamour Beauty Club, and it says you've been chosen. Don't know whether you can see that. And it basically is that you've been handpicked to try and test a product for the seal of approval, and that's it. Basically you get a little card. So it said keep out from an email from us to let us know what you think and help us learn more about what you like. So yeah, so that's the card that you get inside every time. So the product this time, I mean, they do ask you first whether you want, so they'll send you an email and they'll just say, we've got this product, you've made a really good match with it, would you like to try it? And I always say yeah, because who doesn't want to get a free stuff, right? So this time it is the Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity Vitamins Glow Boosting Vitamin C and D Bronzing Water Mist. Sorry, that was a mouthful. So it comes in a little bottle like that. And obviously they also sent with it a double-sided Saint-Tropez mitt as well. So you get that as well in there. So obviously over the next few days I've got to give this a go. Yeah, so I've not tried it before. I haven't tried this yet. It smells very fake tanny, I've got to say, from first impressions. But yeah, it says simply spritz and glow with this lightweight tropical scented. I didn't smell the tropical scent. Maybe I need to spray it to find out, but I don't want to spray it just yet. And obviously, yeah, so there, it's kind of a clear liquid. As you can see, it's totally clear. So yeah, I've got to give that a go. So I might give it a go later on, see how that is. So that is basically to do with how you get sort of freebies when you've only got a small following. I'm sure there's other sites that you can follow. I can list a couple of YouTubers below that obviously have done videos on PR packages. I don't know what they all are. I have used Influencer before. I don't know loads about it. I've never had anything free from them, but I believe you can do, but I think it takes a lot of time and effort really, which I don't have. So I think you have to review a lot of products and stuff to get matched to receive stuff. So there is them, and I think there's a couple more, but I'll link a couple of people down below that talk way more about PR packages than I do, but this one is just a dead easy way to get them. Yeah, so like I said, there are quite a few different ones, but I'll leave everything linked below. So if you're interested, go check them out. So obviously that's everything about getting these stuff for free. So the next part of the video is about testing the stuff. So obviously I've got this cute little sample here of the Saint-Tropez Self Tan, new product obviously with the mitts, and I'm going to give this a go. So yeah, let's clip now to trying this little bad boy. Hi guys, so I'm going to try the mist from the Glamour Beauty Club, and we're going to try this out together, and then we're going to come back tomorrow to see how well it was. So I'm going to apply this now. I've got my little mitt as well that I need to rub it up with afterwards. So I'm just going to prop you up somewhere. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Can you see me? Yes. You're literally propped on a candle. So it just basically says spritz and glow. So I'll get my little mitt out. So I've got my Saint-Tropez mitt ready to give it a little bit of a buff afterwards. So I'm going to basically just put it on my face, my chest and my arms for now to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a spray. It smells really nice, by the way. I'm not quite sure how much you're meant to use. Don't forget the undersides. Right, let's give that a bit of a buff before it starts to... It already feels like it's drying, to be fair. It literally feels like I've got nothing on. Feels like I've just sprayed some like scented spray on myself. I hope I didn't just wipe it off. Should we just give it a little bit more around my face area maybe? It feels like it's drying very quickly. Right, so I'll see you all in the morning and let's see what this beautiful glow looks like. So I'll catch you all soon. Good morning guys, so it's the next day and I've got to say it's not massively tanning. Let me show you, as much as it's a tanning product, it's a little bit subtle, so I think it will need a couple of sprays. So I think it's one of those ones where it's quite subtle because you are spraying it on. You don't want it to look terrible if you're going to be spraying it on. So yeah, I think you'd have to kind of build it up a little bit, but you can see a difference because I'm going to show you my leg compared to my hand. There is my hand. Can you see the difference? See how pale my leg is? See how pale my leg is to my hand? Look at my arm to my leg. Yeah, see, so you can see a difference because I'm literally so white there. So like I said, it is quite subtle. I think it's one of them ones that you just sort of spray on every day and it kind of gives you a little bit of a glow, which is exactly what it says on the bottle. It just says spritz and glow, and it does say that it's a lightweight, tropically scented, and it is very tropically scented. It's very, very nice. No rinse, mist. Yeah, so it's really good for a radiant glowing tan, which is what I think it does, because like I said, if you did use this every day you would have a very nice glow. Unfortunately I'm super pale to start off with, but obviously I can tell a little bit. It's probably not coming through on camera as much as normal. If you are sort of tanned already, then maybe it'll just enhance what you've already got. But yeah, I think it'll be quite nice. I'm going to continue using it and spraying it on, and it's not going to streak it in anywhere, any shape or form, which is really good. That's because it's lightweight. It's not going to streak it at all. So yeah, I've got to give it a thumbs up. I really like this product. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!